Welcome, Milano family, to another episode of the Milano Cooking Show. And what are we making today? Teriyaki turkey burgers. The recipe is going to be down below, and watch this. Okay guys, so we are making our teriyaki burgers super simple with our ground turkey. So what we're going to do is we're going to crack an egg, and we're going to take all of these ingredients, easy breezy. So we've got tomatoes, cilantro, we've got our onion, and we've got garlic. Okay, so mix this completely. We're going to turn on the pan because we're going to get that going with a little olive oil. Okay, a little bit of ginger paste, just a titch. So a little garlic powder, We're going to add a little bit of the teriyaki glaze. Let's give it a little shake. A little bit of this, and we're going to use more later, so don't be thinking I'm whipping you guys up. We're going to put in about a half cup or so of the panko breadcrumbs. We're going to add some salt and pepper. And then we're going to mix these babies up. A little bit more. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to mix up the turkey meat with all of the ingredients. This is just, again, easy, and it's turkey. So it's going to be healthy for us. And we're going to make it into some super swell patties. Okay, so it's a little bit moist right now, so we're going to take a little bit more panko. We want that egg to get soaked up with the panko. Also, it's a little bit more liquidy because I'm adding in tomato. But it's so good with the tomato that's cut inside. So that's we're going to take these babies. We're going to turn them into patties. All right, so we gave them a little flip. Now I'm going to add on a little bit of sauce. Let's give a little shaker up. So we want it to be oozing with deliciousness, okay? We're just going to blend that in a little bit. I think I'm going to go a little crazy and add a little more. Crazy. Lovely, and we're gonna let it cook. We're gonna take a little bit of our yum sauce. The recipe I've done before. You can DM me and I'll send it to you, or you can look on our TikTok. But this is our delightful yum sauce. All right, and then we're going to take, let's just take a little bit of lettuce. We're going to pop it on down. We're going to take our patty, to scoop it on out. Keep that going. Of course, you can put whatever you want. So I have a little lettuce on the bottom. I'm going to take a little tomato for the top. I like to put a little bit of onion, possibly, a little bit of avocado. And again, condiment-wise, you can do whatever you want to do. Okay. Add on a little bit of glaze on top. Look at this. Yummy. All right, we're going to put on a little bit more yum sauce on this side. Oh, I'm going to pop this right on top. Then let's get some veggie chips. An incredible meal. Enjoy, Milano family. We'll see you hopefully in the showroom real quick, or we'll see you on the next Milano Cooking Show episode. We'll see you soon.